Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Anna, and today I'm just going to be vlogging my day for you guys. Nothing really special today, but it's just a vlog, and let's get started with some video games, because I have nothing better to do. Okay, so I just got off of the computer, and now I'm kind of bored because there's not much to do, so I'm going to go on a bike ride. So yeah, okay, here we go. On my bike ride. Have my phone attached to my bike. We're going fast. Pop a wheelie. I'm just going to go on a quick little bike ride because I have so much energy I have to get out. Fast. And so my hat, I had a pom-pom on top of it, but it fell off. It's supposed to clip onto the top, but the pom-pom fell off the clip. So I have to fix that. Don't know when, but I don't know. Pop! It's kind of cold. My eyes are watering. My hands are freezing. Okay, there's people up here. What the? Oh my gosh, my hands are so cold. It's so cold. Go fast. Go, go, go. Oh my gosh. I need to get warmed up. Pop! Nobody is outside today. It's so cold. There's like a couple on a walk, and that's it. Oh, okay. Everything but my hands is warm, which sucks. Oh my gosh. I almost died there. Whatever. Oh, so freaking cold. I'm going so fast. Okay, slow down now. Don't need to go that fast. Now let's go up this curb. There we go. I'm gonna do this one now. That was so bad, but whatever. Now we're almost home. So, yeah, quick little bike ride, just so I can get some energy out of me. Pop! Now, we're back. Okay, so depending on when you're watching this, it's almost my brother and sister's birthday. So I'm gonna make them like a sign or something for the birthday. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. So here is the final product, and I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I have to hide it back behind the computer so they don't see. Okay, now for the awesome part of the vlog. Not really. I'm gonna make a TikTok, so I'm gonna screen record it, and you can see. Okay, so I can't use this audio or else I'll get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna play the video with no sound, and I'll just put my own music over it, and so I don't get copyrighted, and you can see this amazing TikTok I'm making. that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe down below for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.